I have a fucking sick tentacle here. One egg. ¡Wow! Pero es que esto tiene un fucking pintón. Octopuses are really tough, so the key to getting an octopus that tastes like the Spanish people do it, like when they make pulpo a la gallega or they make pulpo frito, which is a very Canarian dish, is to freeze the octopus first. I have a fucking sick tentacle here that I'm so excited about. It's frozen, and you're literally just gonna pop it into a pan. If it fits. And you're gonna boil it for like an hour. This is alcohol and it's flammable, so it's not a good idea to have it next to it. Cover it up. I'm usually the kind of guy who is going to forget about this and it's going to boil over, but once it boils over, I'll put it into a low light. That's it. I've just boiled this for an hour at this point. And the key to knowing whether the octopus is ready is you take a knife or a toothpick or whatever it is and you prod it. Now, yep, if the knife penetrates the meat easily without any resistance, then it's sufficiently boiled and it's ready to take out. So I got a little bit inspired while we were making it, and I decided to throw a lobster in the boil as well. So I boiled the lobster alongside the octopus, and I threw some salmon in as well. And I'm making a big seafood and egg sandwich. I don't know, is that what you call it? Seafood and egg sandwich? I mean, just show it for a second, because I played one up. That looks banging.
It is
the
banging.
Octopus, the eggs.
Show us like that, yeah.
The light's not the best here, is it?
No, but we get the idea. Shit.
Bro, that's some gourmet shit. I don't know, we can think of something else to say now. Here's the octopus tail fried. Just gonna cut it a little bit. It's nice because it's gooey on the inside and crispy on the outside. Here's one egg. Here's the other egg. Here's the black pepper octopus. Let's put some salmon on there too. Oh, how the hell have I seen the salmon? I love the rustic style of presenting. It means I can get away with being messy.
Leo Messi?
Leo Messi. Then fill that shit with black pepper. Olive oil. You don't really need salt because the base ingredients are salty already.
Oh. Espérate, enséñame el limón.
And some fresh, cool, cold lemon. ¡Wow! Pero es que esto tiene un fucking pintón.
Venga, vamos a sacar una foto de eso.
¿Verdad?